So we had some new Dunk Lows dropped over the weekend, and you know your boy loves a pair of Dunk Lows. So you know I had to grab myself a pair. This is the Valerian Blue Dunk Low, and I really do like this colorway. Check these out. Yes, my people, what is good? I hope you're having a blessed day. It is absolutely sweltering in the UK today. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Nike Dunk Low in the Valerian Blue colorway. This is one of the cleanest colorways we've seen in a little while. I know I say that a lot, but this is truly a dope colorway. I'm going to be looking at the shoe in more detail, looking at the design, the materials used. I'll be looking at sizing. I'll be giving you my opinion when it comes to resale, and of course I'll be dropping that on feet as well, so make sure you watch the entire video for that. Let's get straight into the video. I have reviewed a ton of Dunk Lows on this channel. I think my first ever video was a Dunk Low review, but this sneaker is probably up there in the top 3 most wearable Dunk Lows we've seen in the past few years. This colorway is absolutely incredible. I'm pretty sure you can rock this with pretty much any color, any fit. This shoe would go with pretty much anything, and that's why I really do like this shoe. I think the most wearable Dunk Low in my opinion is the Pandas, but I think this is right up there with it. Very wearable shoe. So we had these sneakers drop in the UK over the weekend, and I believe these actually dropped in the US a few months ago. But these retail for £89 in the UK, and I'm really happy to see that £89 price point back, because it's been tough out here. But anyway, I grabbed my pair from the Nike app. I didn't really see these anywhere else, and the Nike app is where I go to get all my Dunk Lows, all my Jordan 1s, Jordan 1 mids, everything. I get them from the Nike app. This is a retro as well, so it's good to see that £89 price point on the retros. So as this is a GR Dunk, you do not get the best possible materials on them, but this is pretty acceptable in my opinion. I don't know, I've picked up quite a few of these Dunks before and the materials have been pretty awful, stitching and glue all over it, but this seems to be okay. So we take a look at that toe box. You get a white leather toe box, which it's not leather. I wouldn't say it's leather. It's more of a plasticky type leather. You come to the mud guard. The mud guard is done in that Valerian Blue, which is pretty cool. The overlays off the side of the shoe is done in that Valerian Blue. The swoosh is stitched in that really nice blue. I really do like this color. Really dope. The underlayers of the shoe is done in white. You come to the back of the shoe. You do get that Nike logo stitched in red, which I think is a really nice touch to this shoe. I think the red and the blue really does contrast well together. Insole is in white, outsole is in the Valerian Blue, which is a very nice shade of blue, as I said before. You come to the tongue is done in white, so is the laces. You do get that red Nike logo on the tongue as well. Nike logo that's inside. The sock liner is pretty cool as well on the insole. I think all in all, this is a very dope shoe, a shoe that you can put together with absolutely any outfit, and I think it will go absolutely smashing. So really dope shoe. Nice to have this in the collection. So that brings us on to sizing, and when it comes to sizing for the Nike Dunk Lows, I always go true to size. But for the GR Dunks, I always get a crease protector, a crease shield in here, because this material is not going to hold up. And if you're looking for a crease protector, I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and grab the ones that I use. I get them from Amazon. Really cheap, very easy and fast to get as well. Don't really need fancy crease protectors, you can just get them from Amazon and they work the exact same. So that brings us on to resale for the Valerian Blues, and I expect the price on these to keep around where it is at the moment, which is around that 110 to 150 mark, depending on the size. I do expect this shoe to stay there. I don't expect any crazy rises when it comes to this shoe, but it is a very cool shoe. A lot of people are going to want these over the summer, so it's a Dunk Low as well. Dunk Lows always do well when it comes to resale. You always make your money back on these, so really cool shoe when it comes to resale. So my final thoughts on the Nike Dunk Low in the Valerian Blue colorway. I think it's a very nice shoe. The colorway is great. I love how the white, this blue and the red really do contrast well together, especially the blue and the red. It's a really dope shoe in my opinion. The only thing I always say about GR Dunks, man, they need to sort the leather out on the shoe. It could be so much better. But as a shoe, it is very, very cool. The colorway is absolutely dope, but for a shoe like this, you do need a crease protector in it because this material will break up. But all in all, this is definitely a must cop for me because it's a Dunk Low, and you know I have to get my hand on a pair of Dunk Lows. Yes, my people, that is it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it and found the information useful. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. The on-feed portion of the video is here.